Hi, this is Visit Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to delete your search history on Instagram. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Instagram keeps track of the content each user searches for in their personal search history. Users have the option to delete their search history at any time. In my previous video, I've shown you how to find the search history on Instagram. So now what if you want to delete it? If you want to delete your search history on Instagram, it's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. Now, you can go to your profile. Tap on your profile. Tap on the upper right corner, the three lines over here. Tap on Account Center. You can scroll down, tap on your information and permissions. There is an option Search History. You can just tap on that. Choose on your Instagram account. And here's all your search history. You can delete by tap on the X here. So the search history will be removed from your Instagram. But if you want to delete all at once, you can go back. And here, there's an option clear all searches. You can just tap on that. You can choose last hour, yesterday, or all time. I will choose on all time. Now you can tap on clear all searches. So now all your search history on your Instagram has been deleted. It's a simple right, so that is how to delete search history on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!